How to fix Capcut template not showing in TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, TikTok does give us the option and a feature to use Capcut templates directly. If for example you clicked on a video that's using a CapCut template, it will give you the option to directly use this template on CapCut. However, for some reason, sometimes this option does not work. It either does not show you this option right here to use this template, or it redirects you to a non-existent page or something like that. A lot of people has different problems, so how can you solve all of them no matter what they are? So the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you are using the latest TikTok version. So just go ahead to Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. Once you do that, if you still have this problem, then follow these steps. Go ahead and open up TikTok and then click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you're here, click on the three lines at the top right corner and then click on settings and privacy, and here scroll down till you find the section that says support and about, then click on report a problem. Once you are on this page right here, scroll down to the topics section and from there click on videos and sounds. After that, you will get to this page right here. Let me just close this drop down menu and click on the video shooting drop down, and from there click on other. And on this page right here, click on need more help. Once you do that, you will get to this page right here, where essentially you will be messaging and contacting the TikTok support team, asking them to solve your problem. So, for example, um, make sure to explain it well, give them a specific reason, say, for example, that this feature is essential for your marketing strategy or for your audience or for user experience on the app. To each person his own reasons. Just make sure to explain it well. You can even include a video or screenshots where the missing feature shows. And once you do that, say for example, you write anything right here, just click on submit and your request will be sent. And after a while, it's different for everyone. It might take a few business days, it might take a lot less than that. It's different. They should get back to you and solve your problem. So that was it for this video. That's how you can fix CapCut templates not showing or not working on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.